So today we have driven to Bilpin, just me and Chris. Bilpin is a place in New South Wales where fires went through actually in January and that sort of time of the year, and so we thought we'd come and support a small business by getting some yummy apple pies and hot chocolates, and they were delicious.
You walking home, are you?
Got the keys to my car.
Oh, okay. So we'll just take Caitlin. We can do that. If you want to go for a bushwalk, we could take Caitlin home.
I don't know if it's going to rain this morning.
There is supposed to be more coming.
Yeah,
3:30 you're supposed to be.
Bear Grylls didn't say that.
that's true. He's not in survival. I'm not in survival situation.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maddy. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hooray. Hooray. Oh, you're so excited.
Magical.
Hey.
Nice.
Alright, hi guys. This morning I am going to be making banana muffins. So this should be day 3 of the vlog, I think. So I thought I would make some banana muffins because we're going to a friend's place today. So yeah, let's get started. The first thing I always do is get all my ingredients up. So previously I have had some gross bananas. I put them in the freezer and took them out just overnight. They were brown and disgusting, and then I peeled them and mushed them up before. And I've also preheated my oven to 180 degrees, and I've also got my muffin pan here ready with butter because I don't have any spray cooking oil. Woo! Okay, so I'm just gonna set you guys up, hopefully, so I don't have to hold this and bake at the same time. Okay, so first off we are going to combine sugar, oil and our eggs into a medium bowl, which is our large bowl because we don't really have a medium one. And yeah, so let's do that first. So sugar, we have 2/3 of a cup. I've got my cups. 2/3 of a cup of caster sugar. We will put the oil, and we need 1/2 cup. Whoa, just enough. Okay. Got the oil. Then we need eggs. So we have 2 eggs today, so I'm going to crack them into this glass container first just so I don't get any shell in. Then we will pour the eggs in. Alright, and we will stir with a wire whisk, which I will get. Which we only just discovered we had a proper wire whisk. Before we were just using the one that came with the beater, electric beater. Just show you what it should look like. Eggs, the oil and the caster sugar. Alright, next step is add in our bananas. So here are my smushed bananas. Yummy, yummy, yummy. You're gonna add them in. Ugh, looks disgusting. Shake off the last pieces. Okay. Then we are going to also add our vanilla. So I only have the imitation vanilla, so I'm actually going to add double what the recipe says because it's not pure vanilla extract. So it says to add 1 teaspoon, so I'm actually going to add 2 teaspoons just to double that vanilla flavour. That's my teaspoon. I'll pop you down again. You're just standing on top of my butter today. Okay, so I'm going to get 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence or extract, whatever you want to call it. 1, because we all love that extra vanilla flavour, don't we? Okay, whisk until combined. Okay, I think that should be combined. This is what it's sort of looking like, combined. A bit gluggy. Need 1 2/3. 1. Carb soda. We need 1 teaspoon of bicarb. This is the bicarb I'm using. And we are using just 1 teaspoon. We need salt. Usually I just put, it says half a teaspoon, but usually I just put like 2 shakes of it because I can't be bothered measuring that properly. Maybe 3 today. Okay. And oh, I forgot the cinnamon, the most important part. Half a teaspoon. Now I have the cinnamon sugar, so I'm going to add double because it's got sugar as well mixed in with it, so it might be not as strong a flavour if I didn't. So. And that is sort of what it should look like when combined. Still a bit gooey, but there should be no flour left on the bottom or anything. So next step, we will divide the batter among our muffin cups, and it says each muffin cup will be about 3/4 full. Okay, so I'll do that and be right back. We are going to bake for 17 to 21 minutes in the oven, which is now preheated. Now we shall set a timer for 20, actually let's do for 15 minutes and then we can check it. Okay, so it only took 15 minutes to bake in our oven because our oven is super hot. Okay, our final step for these banana muffins is to actually put cinnamon on top. So the recipe said that they need to melt, oh wait, I'll get you the right measurements so then you guys can do it at home as well. We have 3 tablespoons of butter melted. I just put it in the microwave for 30 seconds and it was like this, so perfect. And then you need 1/4 cup of the caster sugar and a teaspoon of the cinnamon sugar, or 1/2 teaspoon if it's just ground cinnamon. So then we're going to take the muffin, let's do a tester one, and they're still a bit warm, but that's okay. Alright, so you're going to like cover the top. This is what it looked like on the video, hopefully it works. And then cover that in the cinnamon. And it should look like that, I believe. And then I'm going to put it in the container. So I'll keep doing that. So this recipe made 12 muffins in my muffin tin, which is what the original recipe said. But you can always make them smaller and use more. It's totally up to you. Actually, I'll put one in here too. Okay. Keep getting it like on here. Yeah, well, practice makes perfect, or practice makes better, I should say. Okay. Delish, delish, delish. Okay, so there is a little bit of cinnamon sugar and butter left, so you could easily spread this across more muffins, probably 2-3 more. Adios. This is what they look like. Yum. Delish. And that made 12, yeah.